Hi, in this video I'm going to show text to video AI generator. You can create very simple videos with pictures, music and voiceovers in just minutes. Turn your scripts into professional and successful videos. First option is copy and paste your script here, and when you click to proceed. Second is when you have your article on your website and you want to turn it into video. And third option is to edit your existing videos. You just paste your video. When you click to proceed, you can paste your video and add subtitles to your video, cut portions of video, create video highlights, add logo, intro, outro. And last option is visuals to video. You can create short videos using your existing images and video clips. It's perfect for promoting your business or your product. You can just paste the images or short videos and make a very professional and good looking video. It's very simple. You just click on proceed when you have your script or text ready. Copy paste your text, click to proceed. And here I used my own script just for example to make a video. Add visuals related to your product, search images, paste keywords that you want to target. For example, if you want to target cars, or just type and enter search. You can choose audio. You just choose voiceover. My favorite is Kendra. Press play and you can choose voiceovers that you like. You can choose background music and press and play, and after you have done it, you just press to apply and music will be added to your video. Also, you can highlight text into your video. Just click on this text and you choose it and you press highlight. You can choose highlight color of your text. For example, mine is green. And when you are ready, you generate video. It's very simple and easy. You can start making new videos today. Simply visit maketextintovideo.com.